Alright, this is TeachIt video number 6, problem 6-1A, number 6. The question reads, in each case, subdivide the whole shown on the right to show the equivalent fraction. So here we've got a fourth, and I accidentally already drew in the fourth there. But you can see we've got 1/4 of this square shaded, which I've used the orange marker to show. With this one then, we can see that the difference or the relationship between these two is, this one is twice as big as this first one here. So what we would do then is, like I already have, I would divide this out into fourths and then divide each one again so that we have 8 total parts to this square. So go like so. And then we need to shade in 2 of those parts there. So you can see this part here of the 2/8 is also equal to the 1/4 part shaded on the first one. For this next one, we've got a circle and it is divided into 3 different parts. You can see with the orange, one part is shaded, giving us 1/3. Between these two, it is 3 times as big. So with this one, I'm first going to divide it into those thirds and then divide each one of those thirds into 3 extra parts, so that way we have 9 total parts. You can see my proportions are a little bit off, but so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts there, and we're going to shade in 3 of them. So we'll shade 1, 2, and 3. You can see here this 3/9 is equal to this 1/3 in the first one there. For this last one here, you can see it is divided in half, with 1/2 being the shaded portion. The difference between these two is, again, this second one needs to be 3 times the amount of spaces. So here we are going to divide it in half like the first one, and then divide this, each part of it, into 3 equal parts like so. This shape is a little bit trickier, so we want it to be equal parts, so that's why I brought it up this way, so that each of the parts of the shape are equal to each other. Instead of drawing, let's say, lines going this way, you can see some parts would be smaller areas than the others. So that's why I did those lines that way. For this one, we're going to shade in 3 of those 6 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. So you can see the 3/6 here is equal to the 1/2 here.